In this video, I'll show you how to reduce or totally eliminate rattling noise from your Krakenx61 and Krakenx40 water cooling system. So in case if you use this water cooling system and you have an Asus motherboard, you might want to change a couple settings for the Asus IL suit to make sure that your Kraken water cooling system is getting 100% power that it actually needs, so it can determine how much you want to use by itself. So I noticed that my pump is making a really weird rattling noise at around 16 to 1900 RPMs, and the fan speed was only at 400 to 600 RPMs. So what I noticed in the IL suit is that when you go to the fan expert and you actually by default are on standard curve profile, you see that the fan is being throttled by the motherboard itself at around 54% of power. So to fix the rattling noise, you need to increase the power output to 100%. So just notice this. As soon as I apply the power output to 100% and let the Kraken actually determine how much power it wants to use, it goes to 2600 RPMs for the pump, and the fan speed increases almost double. And what I noticed, this actually did not make my system any louder. It by full means reduced and actually eliminated the rattling noise. So the reason for this is the dual intelligence processor and your fan expert. On the standard profile, they set the CPU header output and the other fan outputs to 50% mark by default and then increase them with the temperature increases. But the Kraken wants to control the performance or let's say the RPMs by itself. So every time the Kraken wants to ram up the RPMs, it is basically throttled by the power output from the motherboard. So yeah, let's do it again. So to fix this problem, you go to the fan expert, select your CPU fan power output and set it to 100%. Apply, and that should work just fine. Or if you don't mind to having the noise, just put it on turbo mode. Thank you for watching.